Don't introduce me, I take the drill like a hippie. Put this shit on and get spiffy. She acting like this shit know me. Can't get caught up with no goof. Living my life as a movie.
Hey, Castro, go.
Nigga on beef, I slide for a slide. Like on a nigga with the frog guys. Louis Vuitton nigga, soy sauce teriyaki. Young baby, bitch, coon, look like Rocky. Young rich nigga really having paparazzi. They wanna pit by the group when they spot me. Snuck in the club with the Glock with no ID. Talk shit on the ground, you gon' see out of me. Left, right, bow. Whip out that glizzy, the fuck on the floor. I'm not a regular civilian. I'm tryna stack up these millions. Stack this shit up to the ceilings. We blow them rap like a ceiling fan. 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 Wipe the boy out, I ain't need no mans. My bitch let me run through a 20 bands. One man, one hand, one plan. Beat the block up, Nick Sack Browns. Young baby still serving killer counts. Big Glock 17, extra rounds. Extra round for you clown. Broke nigga said what, shut his mouth. I don't wanna hear no mouth sound. That cutter get shaded like 8 mouth. Baby gon' go, baby no hope. Bitch, I got stain, bitch, I got rank. Made bullet rain, 375 for these purple pants. I put this shit on whenever I can, but you ain't know, baby, no hoe. Free lil' Ace, cause he down the road. Free Carlito, 5-5 gang, free Bit Mo. This shit took pain, we up in the scope. Free man Savage, long little ready. Long little ready. Nigga think I'm pussy, but they won't test me. Pussy come and test me. On beef, I slide for a slide. Like on a nigga with the frog guys. Louis Vuitton nigga, soy sauce teriyaki. Young baby, bitch, coon, look like Rocky. Young rich nigga really having paparazzi. They wanna pit by the group when they spot me. Snuck in the club with the Glock with no ID. Talk shit on the ground, you gon' see out of me. Left, right, bow. Whip out that glizzy, the fuck on the floor. I'm not a regular civilian. I'm tryna stack up these millions. Stack this shit up to the ceilings. We blow them rap like a ceiling fan. We blow them rap like a ceiling fan. We blow them rap like a ceiling fan.